Hey guys, so it's the first official day of Freshers Week and today I have some introductory lectures for maths. Just two I think, one at 10, one at 11, and then I'll be going to the Freshers Fair, which should be pretty interesting, and see what sort of societies there are and things to join, and apparently get loads of free pens. Okay, so we are going to the Students' Union now to get something to eat, and after that we're going to go to the society fair and look at the societies. I've just come back to my room and just sat in here because it's been so tiring. You know, I've had a really busy day and I think there's a lot of pressure to feel that you've got to go out all the time during freshers, you know, constantly be out socialising, but it's absolutely okay if you need to just take some time out, go back to your room, recover. Tomorrow we have a night out which should be interesting, so bring on Tuesday. So it's Tuesday today, and this morning I've been to a maths lecture which just been about transitioning to first year, and after that we went to a poster sale on the Portland steps, which is where we are now. After this we're just going to go and register at the university at the David Ross Sports Village, and we'll see where the day goes from there.
Guys, keep moving down.
From Sale, you're from Cheshire. I live in Moss Side in Manchester. Don't tell me that Sale is Manchester. Downton Abbey, you.
Hiya, so I look really tired last night after going to Rock City, but today we've got some induction lectures, a few more, and after that I'm registering at the health centre where I think I might even get a jab for my meningitis, which I really needed to get. Make sure you get your meningitis jab. And then in the evening I think there's some taster sessions going on. There's one for archery, definitely. I might go to that and we'll have a look, play it by ear. So I have had my meningitis vaccination done. It was okay, but it did hurt a bit. And now some friends and I are on the way to Nottingham into the city, and I'm going to try and buy some things that I need. Hi guys, so I've just had dinner and now I'm going to an archery taster session, I think. 7 to 10 p.m, yep. I'm going to an archery taster session and it should be really fun. I've never done archery before, so it's going to be interesting. So we just got back from the archery taster and it was really good. There were lots of people and they organised us into lefties and right-handed people, and some of the students who'd been doing archery showed us how to do it. I didn't quite hit a bullseye, but I was pretty close, I think. So it's Thursday today and today is a pretty laid-back day. I haven't got anything on this morning, but I might go and visit a University of Nottingham fair that they're holding in the Students' Union. After that, there's a maths lunch thing going on for my group that I'm in. They have a meeting where we can get to know our mentors and all of that, so I'll be going to that at lunchtime. And then after that, I've got my swim test at about 5:30. And that's a swim test for me to join the boat club, just to check if I can swim. And then after that, I'll go back and I'll get ready for tonight, which is a glitter party, which should be really fun.
Free stuff. I have at least 4 or 5 bags absolutely full of it. They haven't this there.
We have mugs. Never had free mugs before. Amazing.
Just going for my boat club swim test. It should be really exciting. I've never done a swim test before, but from what I can infer, it's just to check that I can swim should I fall in. I'm all packed and ready, got my swimsuit on, but again, I don't know if I'll need it. So just done my swim test. I look awful, but I did it and I passed it, and I get this red band which I could take to my rowing taster session. And yay, I passed it even though it literally took it completely out of me. So it's the last day of Freshers Week, it's Friday. Yesterday was really good. Last night was really fun. We danced to a lot of throwback songs in Prism. And today I think is a lot more chilled out. I've got a meeting with my personal tutor at 11:10, so I've got to go for that. But in the meantime, breakfast. So I've just took part in the inter-hall sports day. I did table tennis and I was terrible, but I had a really good time. I met some new people, which was great, and I also met up with one of my friends from school as well, which was also great. And to top it all off, I have a free t-shirt that says Derby on the back, which is my hall. And yeah. So it's come to the end of my Freshers Week at the University of Nottingham, and I have had an amazing week. I've done so much stuff and met so many new lovely people, and yeah, I'm kind of sad it's over and now the work starts. My advice to new freshers would be, don't panic, don't worry about making new friends. You will get there. Remember to take some time out for yourself. You don't have to attend every single event. It's okay to just have a night in, just recuperate, relax. And lastly, just be yourself. Smile, have fun. Just chill out a bit, just for you to get to know your surroundings, meet a few new people. You don't have to finish Freshers Week with 1,000,001 friends, but I'm pretty sure you'll get there. Yeah, that's it. Savannah out.